WhatsApp has made a significant contribution to the way we communicate in today's society by allowing immediate communication at any time. However, this can be counterproductive for some people who may be overwhelmed by the amount of messages they receive every day, but do not want to stop responding because the other person realizes if they have even seen it. Some people choose to activate the airplane mode or deactivate the Wi-Fi so that the other person only sees one line of the confirmation popcorn, but they need to carry out other activities with alternate applications that also need the internet. For those who have found themselves in this complicated dilemma or who simply want to take a break from all the messaging, there is a little trick that allows them to be disconnected from WhatsApp without the need to turn off the Wi-Fi or activate airplane mode. Simply go to the settings or configuration section of your phone. Then, under applications, look for and select the WhatsApp application. At the bottom right, you will find the force close button. Click on it and OK. This way, if a contact sends you a message through WhatsApp, it will only look like a line of confirmation popcorn to that contact, even if you have Wi-Fi enabled. To reconnect, just log back into the application as usual, and your phone will still be able to receive messages from WhatsApp. You can use this trick on both Android and iOS devices. As a further tip, remember not to use alternate applications that promise this type of function.